Hey, 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 hey. It's Drew here. Just doing a very, very, very quick video recap of my trades on ES simulated account. Excuse me a moment. Let me just fix something I gotta do here. Okay. So yeah, quick video today. I'm going to go over my ES trade. I started the day very, very late because I went to the dentist, got a cleaning, and on Thursday I'm finishing my Invisalign stuff. Um, this afternoon I, you know, made my meal for the day, and then I was doing some research on towing my car to get it repaired, so then I could sell it for a profit or whatever. So, yeah, let's take a look at the trade. I entered late on the day, so I saw pre-market this morning. Woke up really early, and I saw that. Let's see what was going on here. We had a huge spike up, and I think this was the CPI data. I think it was good data. I'm not sure. But then we had a big sell off. And so I was like, oh no, this is not good. But I was skeptical of this big downtrend because we had a very big uptrend going on. We have essentially a big bull channel, right? Let me just copy this. We have this thing going on here. So I was skeptical that this was not going to turn into anything crazy. And if anything, this would be a trading range. I logged in at 2:30 and immediately bought at the market. Sat at the computer, logged in, saw this market was in an uptrend, and I said, I am buying for any reason. And I got long, and I left my stop here as the market broke up. I just put my stop here. I didn't even bother recording this. You can see that I entered here on one contract and exited here. Let's do a measurement of what this was. It was 55% in a matter of 35 minutes, it looks like. So my profit target was at 95, and I had my stop trailing very, very tight because I thought this was an exhaustive move as this was coming up. And originally my profit target was here. Now, the reason why I picked that target first was because this was a one-to-one risk to reward. If I had moved this down, this looks like a 2-to-1 on the initial. And the reason why I exited around here is because if I take the opening range right here, we can see that this was the 2-to-1 area of the opening range. And this is approximately the 1-to-1 on the opening range, from yesterday's high to yesterday's close to today's close. So I felt very comfortable with exiting there at 55% profit on one contract. So about $300 in a matter of 35 minutes. So very, very happy. I'm going to chill for the rest of the day. I'm going to go work out and study. I've been studying very hard at night. What was I doing? I was just watching videos all night. Yeah, and I figured we'd get a pullback. This would be a good buy right here if I see a bull candle at the EMA. But it's the end of the day. So very, very good trading day. Bye.